guys, welcome back to my channel where I make videos about tech, unboxing, product reviews, events, and some fun stuff. And today's video, I will be sharing with you a day in a life working in IT in downtown Chicago. So I'm gonna take you with me, guys, and walk you through what we do on a daily basis in IT. And I will also give a little tour of our game room and office areas. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of what our game room looks like. Okay, so let's get started on this area. We have like a gaming console area here with 2 TVs, and we do have Xbox, PS4s here, and some games. So you can play games here if you are taking a break, or if you do have visitors coming in, you can have them play as well. Then on this side, we do have this. I forgot what it's called, but this is the game. This is like a football game. Then we have this Walking Dead pinball machine. It isn't plugged today because no one really uses it. So if someone wants to use it, you can just plug it in. But it's actually really cool. It feels like you're in an arcade. Also, we do have 2 ping pong tables here for those who likes playing ping pong. Then we have a pool table here. It's really cool, especially if you are playing with your team, or your team just wanna relax and take a break. Then we have this golf game. It's also unplugged right now, but this is like a virtual golf arcade game. Also in this area, we have the gigantic version of the tabletop games. We have Jenga in here, which is huge, fun for playing with groups or teams. And this one, I forgot what it's called again. And lastly, we do have this game. I don't know what it is called. Sorry, I don't know what most of the games are called in here, but it's also a fun game to play with a team. And we are gonna replace all of the broken discs. Hopefully our spare drives are enough. So one of our main tasks for today is replacing the bad drives in NetApp. NetApp is our storage solutions for our network drives, so it's very critical to replace the drives when they get broken. Okay, so I'm also checking if we got any packages in the package room. Part of our responsibility is asset management, so we order stuff for the users. So we got a new monitor here, and possibly a laptop that we have to set up for the user. And hi, Joe.
Hi. How's it going?
Good. Good. Nice to see you.
You too. So yeah, all the good stuff comes to me.
Yeah, like he's the one managing all of this good stuff, the packages, and also this for the facilities.
Yes.
Office.
I should have just kept that one.
So I'm now in the workroom to get all the spare drives that we need to replace our NetApp servers, after we have identified which ones are broken and what kind of drives we need. So we are on our way to Fed Data Center to replace the broken drives. Yep. And I'm with Ashton.
How's it going?
Hi.
So they don't know how to get in. I promise it's not.
Struggle is real.
I promise it's not too complicated.
It's more complicated than biometrics.
I don't know what's right. Where's my Face ID? Why can't I get
It's most high tech.
right?
No one could break into this.
Oh, come on.
1 moment later.
A million moments later.
Okay, we are back in the office and we have to set up equipment now like laptops and phones. So it is almost 5 p.m. and it has been a busy afternoon. We have a lot of tickets and a lot of users reaching out for us for issues, and one of my tasks also is to decommission some of the VMs that are no longer used in our cluster. So that has been our day today. It has been really busy, but we are happy that we got a lot of things done today. Okay, it's time to leave now. It's time to log out from the phone system. It is currently 5 o'clock, but look how dark it is outside. It feels like it's so late at night. Like every day this winter time, this is how it is in Chicago. So I think I'm the only one left because there's no one else in here. It's really quiet.